Hey guys, Rizza here again and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is about quick tips on how to achieve glass skin. Skincare is very important so you can let your skin breathe from all the makeup and free your pores from all the gunk. First tip is water, water, water. I can't emphasize this enough. Probably narinig nyo na rin to sa ibang videos pero sobrang important talaga na ma-hydrate mo yung skin mo all throughout the day to achieve glass skin. Tip number 2 is to double cleanse. Sleeping with your makeup on is a huge no-no. So for me, I use an oil-based cleanser to take out all the makeup from all the gunk and pollution throughout the day. So currently, ang ginagamit ko is yung Maison Great Pure Cleansing Oil. It has a mild formula which softly removes makeup and it provides moisture and vitality on the skin after wash. So I put it on my face and wash it with lukewarm water. And to complete my double cleanse, I use Lana pH age-defying soap kasi this brings back all the moisture in my face. Tip number 3 is to never skip your toner. I'm currently using the Body Shop's Vitamin E Hydrating Toner kasi it balances the pH levels of my skin and nakakaliit talaga siya ng pores. And then again, a quick zero waste tip, just use your hands instead of cotton balls. And then tip number 4 is to apply essence. I'm currently using Lana pH DNA Repair Elixir kasi it brightens, hydrates, and protects your skin from all the pollutants all throughout the day. This also helps tighten your skin instantly with a long-term firming effect. Apply at least 3 to 4 drops onto your face and neck and you can use it twice daily. Tip number 5 is to moisturize. The glass skin routine requires a lot of moisture, so I'm currently using Lana pH 100% Pure Argan Oil. And it's very high in vitamin E for collagen boost to make skin glowingly soft and supple. Tapos, nakaka-heal din siya ng acne-damaged skin cells. And it also reduces scars and hyperpigmentation. I use 2 drops and put it on my face and neck. Tip number 6 is to wear sunscreen all day, every day. Kahit hindi tayo exposed sa araw, dapat gumagamit pa rin tayo ng sunscreen kasi exposed pa rin tayo sa UV and blue light which comes from phone screens, computer screens, and bulbs. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video, and since love namin kayo, gumawa kami ng discount bundle for all the Lana pH products mentioned on this video. All you have to do is look for the discount code within the video and go to www.lana.ph to avail. Thanks again so much for watching, and if you want more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you very soon, and remember that every single effort you do for your goals matter. Bye!